Midjourney is an artificial intelligence-powered creative platform that allows users to create custom images and videos for their brands. The platform uses advanced algorithms and machine learning technology to analyze user preferences and create images that are unique and on-brand. Midjourney provides users with a variety of customizable templates and styles to choose from, allowing them to create engaging and visually appealing content quickly and easily. Midjourney's AI technology generates images by taking into account various factors, such as color scheme, image composition, and visual balance. The platform also allows users to upload their own images and logos to use in their creations, ensuring that the content remains authentic to the brand. Midjourney also provides users with data and insights about their content's performance, allowing them to make data-driven decisions about their content strategy. Midjourney can be used by businesses of all sizes to create high-quality visual content for their websites, social media channels, and other marketing materials. The platform aims to simplify the creative process and make it accessible to all, regardless of design experience or budget constraints.